Okay, so question 5. So this is part of a bus timetable from Galway to Limerick. So departs Galway and arrives in Limerick. Okay. James lives in Oranmore. He needs to be in Limerick by 9:30. Okay, so this bus here will get him into Limerick 5 minutes before 9:30. What is the latest time that James can get the bus from Oranmore? So it would be this one here, 7:28. So if he gets this bus, he'll be there by 9:25. So 7:28 is the answer for that first part. Okay, how long does his bus journey take from Oranmore to Limerick? Okay, so this is going to be the arrival time, which is 9:25 minus 7:28. And I'll just show you how to do that on the calculator. So if you want to put in the actual time, just to make sure you're fully accurate with this, you can say 9. You see this little button here, you have a button like that on your calculator with a dot and a number of inverted commas. That is, it's possible to use this for time. Okay, so this is 9 hours, 25 minutes. You must put in this each time by pressing that button, minus 7 hours, 28 minutes. Okay, equals, so that's 1 hour and 58 minutes and no seconds. Okay, so that's 1 hour 50, was it 58 or 57? 57 minutes. Okay, so you can use that directly to get the answer you need there. Okay, that's that. Part B, it takes Gina 1 hour and 15 to drive from Oranmore to Limerick. 1 hour and 15. What fraction of an hour is 15 minutes? So this is nothing to do with Gina's, this first part is nothing to do with the Gina information. So it's purely what fraction of an hour is 15 minutes. So in an hour there are 60 minutes. And if you put 15 over 60 and simplify it, okay, so if I divide 15 into 15, I will get 1. And if I divide 15 into 60, I will get 4. So my answer is this one here. Okay, that's all I need to do. So they're literally just asking you, what's a fraction of an hour is 15 minutes. So clearly it's not any of those smaller ones. It was either going to be one of these two. But if you do the basic fraction and simplify it, you'll get a quarter of an hour. And you may already know anyway, common sense might tell you that 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. Okay, 10:15 is 10:15. Okay, that's that part. The distance from Oranmore to Limerick is 90 kilometres. So you need to work out her average speed. So we know the distance. So D equals 90. Speed we don't know. Time we do know from the previous part because they told us that it took her 1 hour 15. Okay, which is 1 hour 15. So the formula here, standard formula, is distance equals speed by time. What we want to do here is we want to divide the distance by the time taken, and that will give us the speed. So now this, I need to turn that 15 minutes into a quarter. The reason being this needs to be out of 100%. So I'm going to say 1.25, that's 1 1/4 hours. Okay, and I will divide that then. So 90 divided by 1.25 equals 72 kilometers per hour. So that's the speed that Gina was travelling at from Oranmore down to Limerick. Okay, so that is the end of question 5.